everybody, how you doing? So, the weather has been horrendous and I've not been able to wash the car or do anything really. The neighbours at the bin. But I'm still always planning and thinking and looking for something a little bit different. Now, as you may have seen, I have my pegboard, got my Lances. Let me bring that down a little bit for you. That's as low as that's going to go. So I've got my Lances, some brushes, my brush holders, some other bits and bobs. And previously I have been dealing with the Tough Glove. So what I've got here is a parcel, not from Tough Glove, but from a good friend of mine, Richard Seeley. He runs a 3D printing company called RS 3D Prints. So I've got it inside this. And he is responsible for a couple of my items that I've got here. So give me 2 seconds, I'll grab a camera and I'll let you have a look. No, that's not the way I wanted it. Right, it's not going to let me turn the camera around. So let me take it this way. Here we go. So, got my nozzle holder. This camera is just not wanting to play the game for me today. There we go. So we have my nozzle holders. There. These are fantastic. These make such a difference. Just keeping things a little bit more organised. From the quick release through to the Sutner styled ones. They're a bit tight because it's really freaking cold out here. But I wanted something that will fit on that to put my glove box on, because I've seen glove box holders, glove box holders, but never really. It's a new shed, it's a plastic shed, and I don't want to be screwing into it. But you can see all the wood behind this is what's holding a tight fit frame on. So let's get this box opened. Now I know there's 2 items in here. One is the glove box holder. Yeah, glove box. You know, the more you say it, the more your brain thinks you've even seen that right. Yes, I bloody well am. And another item, which is something that I saw from the same website that I got the glove box holder from. And I just really wanted to get it because it looked so freaking cool. So let's open this box. There is a lot of tape on this one. There it is. Here we go. Put that here before I slice my hand open. Yep. More tape in the corner. Right, so start with the glove box holder. Let's see if we can get this out here. And here, nice and tight. Perfect. Okay, so just put my name on it. This is his details there. You'll get him on Instagram and Facebook. RS3D Prints. He's got an eBay shop as well, and these are what hooks into this here. So let's go. Oh, pure perfection. I like things being neat and tidy, and somewhere to put something, it's, to me, is what it's all about. So, cheap gloves. I don't know why I've kept these. They fit in perfectly. And the gloves that I originally bought them for, which was the BOA Pro. Boom. Perfect. Nice, easy to get into them. And getting out again. Now, the Tough gloves do a range of gloves, and they do have some bigger boxes. So I'm not sure. Yeah, this one's a good bit bigger. So they're BOA Max, but it can be more altered. If you've got one brand of gloves that you like, you send them the measurements, he'll make it for you. And the good old gator grips. It's the shed, it's not me. Water. I've not got the angle to get them in. But yeah, beautiful. So let's get the BOA Pros on there. That's what it was originally bought for. The second item, see, this is something that I saw that I wanted. As soon as I saw it, I sent him the link for it, and let's just say it was a challenge. I believe he may have put the sizing the wrong way around. It's from, I've sent it to a few different people just to gauge different ones. And we have this. It looks better. Do not answer that in the comments. So we have a beautifully 3D printed skull. Now, let's see how good it is. Can it pick up? Yeah, so my camera is actually taking that as the face. So 3D print. It's a Stormtrooper helmet with the face ripped off and the skull at the background. I just saw this and thought, this is freaking amazing. I have to have it. So thank you very much, Richard. I'll put all of your links in the video below. Anybody wants to get anything, just give them a shout. So thank you guys. Have a lovely time. Bye bye.